Are you looking for some awesome effects? Get access to thousands of exclusive premium effects, free effects as well, with their super affordable pro memberships. Click the link in the description.
What's up guys, my name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and if you are here for the first time, make sure to consider subscribing because we have many different videos every single week about how to edit your videos, how to make your videos better, how to improve your YouTube channel and be more successful, so make sure to consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to edit videos for Instagram TV. Now, if you don't know what Instagram TV is, it is basically a platform released by Instagram where you can upload videos onto a channel on Instagram up to an hour long. So this is not kind of the new YouTube, for example, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. So make sure to smash the like button down below, and I would say I'll catch you guys right after the intro. Okay guys, so the first step is film a video. So what you can do is you can use your regular camera like I'm using right now, the Canon G7X, or you can use your phone and you can basically start doing that. You can just go ahead and film yourself either way, with your phone or with your regular camera. So once we've done that, we're gonna take our footage to Vegas Pro 15 and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to edit that. So it's gonna work the same way. If you're gonna use your camera, you're gonna drag in the footage into Sony Vegas or Vegas Pro. If you're gonna use your cell phone, you can just go ahead and drag that footage into your editing program as well. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and go to Vegas Pro 15. Okay, so now that we landed on our editing software, what we're gonna do is gonna be pretty straightforward. Now, if you film this with your regular camera, it's gonna be a little bit more tricky than usual, because if you film this with your phone, if you're gonna drag that footage into your project, it will be already the right settings and the right resolution, everything like that. So in order to do that, what we're gonna do is I just made a screenshot of my phone, because if you're gonna use your regular camera, your resolution is most likely going to be 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720, so we need to actually crop that in like a phone screen resolution. So you want to just skip this process because if you have filmed it with your phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag in our file that we just recorded with our camera. This is just me, you know, setting down the camera and getting into position like that, and right here I'm starting to talk. Okay guys, this is basically the video that I'm going to post to Instagram TV. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically drag in the screenshot of our phone so we can stretch and crop this video. Okay, so this is basically how it's going to look when you filmed it with your phone. Very standard, and you don't need to do anything. If you've done it with your camera, we need to adjust it to this size. So I just took any screenshot. You can take a screenshot of your home page, of anything. I just took one of my sub count real quick. So we're gonna create a new video track, right click, insert video track. We're gonna put this guy on top of it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the opacity just a little. So we're gonna just cut it right here, then we're gonna place it right here, and we're gonna just go ahead and lower the opacity. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the track motion. We're gonna lower the opacity just completely, because we need to go to the track motion icon, because we need to be centered at first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just place this guy right here. I'm gonna also make it a little bit bigger because we want to be in the center of the screen, and don't mind this black, you know, bar, because we're gonna just cut that off anyway. So once we've done that, we're gonna go to the event pen crop icon of the video track, and then we're gonna just lower the opacity of the screenshot just a little, so we have kind of a template, you know, where we have to cut it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on mask at the bottom, and then we are going to basically pick this guy, the rectangle or square mask creation tool, and we're gonna stretch this guy completely, and then we're gonna pick this side and we're gonna stretch it until it is right where the screenshot is. We're gonna also do that on the other side like that, as you can see. So once we have done that, we can just remove the screenshot because that was kind of a template. So as you can see, if I do it like this, if I delete the screenshot, this is basically how it's going to look on your phone.
So what we're gonna do, first of all, is we're gonna spice this clip up a little bit. So we're gonna go to the video effects, we're going to go to the brightness and contrast, and we're gonna pick the default, drag it on top of the clip, and we're gonna just go ahead and mess around with it a little bit. We're gonna put up the contrast just a little like that. That looks awesome. You can also just add in a little bit more color correction, for example, a little bit more bluish. I'm gonna just show you guys like that. That looks really, really cool. So the only thing we need to do is cut it up a little bit. Cut out all the stutters, cut out all the pauses, everything like that. So that's what we're gonna do.
Okay guys, this is basically the video that I'm going to post to Instagram TV that we're gonna go ahead and edit.
So right here, this jump cut, we're gonna edit that out.
So I would say, if you are excited,
I'm gonna cut that off. So we have like a nice little jump cut.
Go ahead and edit. So I would say, if you are excited for this, make sure to
cut away that part. And in order to cut on your timeline, you just want to, click on here, press S on your keyboard. Right here, press S, and then this becomes loose. Press the delete button, and that's how you can cut, things out of your video.
For this, make sure to smash that like button, or I don't think that's even possible on Instagram. Make sure to just...
This pause is very quiet, so I'm going to cut that out as well, like that.
Sure to just throw me a follow and also like this video and share it on Instagram if you find this video helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and do that.
So as you can see, that was the video, and I'm not gonna really post that to my Instagram because this was kind of an example. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna select everything. So we need to render this out, and then we're gonna just go ahead and pick the entire timeline, and then we're gonna click on File at the top, and then we're gonna pick Render As. And then people ask me all the time, what is the best format to prevent crashes and freezes while rendering? And the best method to do that is basically XDCam EX. So we're gonna click on there, HQ 1920 by 1080 25p. We're not gonna render out only this part because we need to render out also the black bars. So because they will be cut off on Instagram anyway. So we're gonna just call this Instagram TV video, and we're gonna just render this out.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that the video is rendered, we need to get this one onto our phone. So what we're gonna do is we can either email this to ourselves, but if the file is too big, you just want to take your charger cable of your phone, connect it to your PC through USB, and then you can transfer it from your computer onto your mobile phone, and then we can just hit it off from there. Okay, we are on our phone. We have the video in our files and everything like that. So what we need to do is we're gonna click on the little home icon at the bottom. Then you see this Instagram TV icon, and you wanna click on that icon on the very top. Now, if you don't already have a channel, you will see that icon right here. And this is basically a channel that you can create. Now, as you can see at the bottom, it is all in Dutch, I know, but I will translate it for you. It says, no videos yet, upload video. So I'm gonna hit that, and as you can see right now, then all my videos are popping up that I have on my phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on the video that we have right here, and as you can see, this is going to be the video on our Instagram page. It is that simple. And as you can see, we're gonna click on next at the top, and you can obviously give this a title, for example, my first Instagram TV video, and then you can give it a description, just giving this a shot. And as you can see right there at the bottom, it says share, and that's how you can do it. This is how you make Instagram videos in your editing software and to put it on your Instagram channel. So that's how to do it.
So guys, that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and like I've mentioned, if you are here for the first time, make sure to consider subscribing because we have many different videos every single week you don't want to miss. So guys, that's it, and I will see you guys next week. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll catch you guys obviously in a brand new video on Monday. So I'll see you guys next week.
Are you looking for some awesome effects? Get access to thousands of exclusive premium effects, free effects as well, with their super affordable pro memberships. Click the link in the description.